Hi guys, let me show you how to remove text from an image. So I have this image here and I want to remove this text right here, this signboard. So to do that, we will use the magic wand. Choose the magic wand, click on the letters that you want to remove. It has been highlighted. So first we go to select, modify, expand. You can use 5 or 10 as you like. For here I will use 5, and this is to expand the selection area a little so that Photopea can take from the surrounding area and then fill the area behind the image that we are going to remove. So we have expanded the selection area. Then we go to edit, fill, and choose content aware, this one. Don't change anything else. Click OK. Give it a few seconds and it's removed. Then go to select, deselect, so that you will remove the selection lines. So deselect, and here it is. It has been removed. So sometimes once you remove an object, there will be a little mistake. Like for example, this pole here, it might be a little longer here or something like that you would like to fix. So what you can do is choose the rectangle select, highlight the area where there is an issue. I'm just giving you an example here. And go to edit, fill, same thing again, content aware, and OK. That will fix it for you. And that's it. And always deselect to remove the selection lines. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.